Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's discuss the previous year question paper for ARS NET. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज इसी सीरीज़ में हम प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस पेपर लेकर आए हैं सीरीज़ 3 में। ये बहुत ही पुराने क्वेश्चन पेपर है जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम्स में आपको ज़रूर हेल्प करेंगे। सो लेट्स डिस्कस द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर दैट वाज आस्क्ड इन 2012. So let's begin with the question number 1. Glycerol isoprenol ether is found in, and the correct answer is Archaebacteria. Protein glycosylation take place in endoplasmic reticulum. मैंने सटीक बस सबके आंसर लेकर आए हैं ताकि आप लोगों को लर्न करने में इजी हो. Core enzyme and sigma factor constitute holoenzyme. Bacterial cell wall rigidity is due to the presence of murine, N-muramic acid and N-acetyl galactosamine. The next question. The term DNA fingerprinting was coined by Alec Jeffrey in 1986. In 1986. PCR was discovered by Kary Mullis. Next question. The term soma clonal variation was coined by Larkin and Scowcroft in 1981. ये क्वेश्चन मैनी टाइम्स पूछा गया है ARS नेट में. Somatic embryo is bipolar in nature. Replacement of purine by purine and pyrimidine by pyrimidine is known as transition, while that of purine by pyrimidine is known as transversion. The same question recently अभी asked था आपको ICR SRF PhD एग्ज़ाम में. Acridine dyes lead to frame shift mutations. Real time PCR or quantitative PCR use SYBR green dye. Ribozyme was discovered by Thomas R. Elk in 1980s during a study of RNA splicing in ciliate protozoans and Tetrahynema ciliata. Noted that in 1989 Thomas R. Leck and Sidney Altman got Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the discovery of catalytic property of RNA. Ribozyme means RNA having enzymatic activity. The idea, the concept of plant tissue culture, cellular totipotency was given by Haberlandt in 1902. Question asked in ARS NET 2018 also, and the Haberlandt is also called the father of the plant tissue culture. Okay students, I think you all note down the important points. Move to the next question. The shoot regeneration is promoted by cytokinin, and as you know, the root regeneration is promoted by auxin. Tail PCR is used for promoter isolation. RNAi technology was discovered by Fire and Milo in the year 2006. The first report of interspecific hybridization through protoplast fusion in two different species of Nicotiana was done by Carlson et al. In 1972 when they fused the protoplast of Nicotiana glauca and Nicotiana landsdorfi. RNA base pairs with DNA due to the complementarity of nucleotides. DNA contains deoxyribose sugar. What is the meaning of nucleoside? Nucleoside is the composition of nitrogenous base plus sugar, and nucleotide, it is a combination of nitrogenous base, sugar and phosphate. Question asked also in ARS NET 2018. 1 picogram of DNA is equal to 970 MB. The rice genome or haploid rice genome or 1C rice is equal to 430 megabase pair. Least degenerative amino acid is methionine. TA29 or promoter TA29 is a tapetum specific promoter in tobacco. Functions of our ribosome is translation, that is protein synthesis. The weak oxygen is indole butyric acid IBA. Which of the following helps in somatic embryo development? The options are 2,4-D or piclogram, but the correct option is 2,4-D. In RNA, anticodon for AUG would be CAU. Expression vector require promoter and polyadenylation or termination sequence. In lac operans, sucrose molecules act as, your options are effector, inducer or suppressor, and the correct option is effector. DNA can be stored as genetic material because of complementarity between the two strands. Which transcription factor firstly bind to promoter? The options are TF2A, TF2B, TF2C and TF2D, and the correct option is TF2D. ब्लास्ट एन इज़ फॉर न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. मैंने आपके जो प्रीवियस ईयर के जो क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व किए उसमें मैंने ये पूरा सब कुछ डाला कि ब्लास्ट एन किसके लिए होता है, फिर एन ब्लास्ट किसके लिए होता है. आप जाके वो मेरे सीरीज़ में से चेक कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट क्रॉप टू बी सीक्वेंस्ड वॉज राइस. Rice QTL, which has been mapped for salinity, is saltol. Answer है saltol. T-BLAST-N is used to convert protein sequence into nucleotide sequence and compare with nucleotide database. Which crop has not been sequenced so far? Wheat, rice, grape or papaya? And the correct option is papaya. PAT gene is used for imparting herbicide tolerance against phosphophenothricin herbicide. NP2 gene is derived from TN5. In maize, 2n is equal to 20. So status of endosperm would be, एंडोस्पर्म क्या होता है, ट्राइसोमिक होता है, तो 3n इज इक्वल टू 30. याद रखिएगा एंडोस्पर्म्स क्या होते हैं, ट्राइसोमिक. स्टार एक्टिविटी ऑफ रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम्स. रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम्स में क्या होते हैं, स्टार एक्टिविटीज प्रेजेंट. निफ जीन इज डिराइव फ्रॉम लार्ज मेगाप्लाज्मिड ऑफ राइजोबियम स्पीसीज. Barnas and Barstar gene were isolated from a bacterium, Bacillus amyloleucofaciens. Which of the technique is not used for gene transfer in animals? Electroporation or particle gun method? And the correct option is particle gun method. Capsids are involved in apoptosis. Capsids are proteins that are involved in apoptosis. For AFLP markers, 4 to 6% page is used. SSR is a codominant marker. P green is the smallest binary vector. What is the runaway plasmid? These plasmid vectors are maintained at a moderate copy number in a cell at 30 degrees centigrade. But at a higher temperature, their replication control is lost and their copy number per cell keeps on increasing. Such vectors are called runaway plasmid or runaway vectors. For QTL mapping, the most preferred population is RIL. Histone H1 acts as a linker molecule. 20 amino acids are coded by 61 codons. The 64 genotypes are obtained by a trihybrid cross. A site in ribosome is the incoming site for tRNA. So students, I think you all note down these important points. Actually, these all are the questions which were previously asked in your examinations. Okay. Lectins are basically glycoproteins. They are the carbohydrate loving or sugar binding protein and have affinity for carbohydrates. Northern hybridization involves RNA DNA hybridization. Southern hybridization is for DNA and Western hybridization is used for protein. Northern hybridization cannot be used to detect half-life of mRNA. Pyruvate kinase uses copper, zinc, ferrous or manganese, and the correct option is manganese. Number of enzymes involved in glycolysis is 10. Nitrogenase enzyme require molybdenum for its activity. Anaerobic conditions are required during nitrogen fixation to get leg hemoglobin functional, otherwise it reacts with oxygen and becomes inactive. So leg hemoglobin के लिए आपको anaerobic condition must होना चाहिए. Histax is used for protein purification. The 2D gel electrophoresis is mostly used in proteomics studies. The three-dimensional structure of a compound can be studied using X-ray crystallography and nuclear magnetic resonance techniques, that is NMR and X-ray crystallography. NOR, nuclear organizing region, is attached associated with rRNA. Endoplasmic reticulum secretes calcium ions. RNAi techniques leads to post-transcriptional gene silencing. जैसा कि आपने पोमैटो में देखा. A DNA fragment of 150 kb size can be cloned suitably in back vector. ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आप सारे वैक्टर्स के क्लोन साइज को ज़रूर याद कर लें. बैक वैक्टर, पैक वैक्टर, लैम्डा, सभी का ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप सबके याद कर लें. फॉर क्लोरोप्लास्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन द बेस्ट टेक्निक इज पार्टिकल गन मैथड, पार्टिकल बॉम्बार्डमेंट मैथड, माइक्रो प्रोजेक्टाइल बॉम्बार्डमेंट टेक्निक. ये सारे ही क्लोरोप्लास्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए जो है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. पार्टिकल बॉम्बार्डमेंट एंड माइक्रो प्रोजेक्टाइल बॉम्बार्डमेंट टेक्निक्स. DNA fingerprint of 1000 kb size can be cloned suitably in a yak vector. Border sequence of tDNA are of 25 base pair size. जैसा आप देख रहे हैं कि अभी मैंने जिससे पहले जो क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस किया था उसमें भी ये क्वेश्चन था, और ये क्वेश्चन जैसा कि मैंने सर्च किया तो मैक्सिमम टाइम पूछा गया है, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप याद करके जाएं. फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सेल टू सेल कॉन्टैक्ट इज नॉट required. DNA polymerase 1 is also known as Kornberg's enzyme. In vitro DNA synthesis was invented by Kary Mullis in 1985. Which is not a next generation sequencing technique. The options are solid, ABI 454 or Pro15, and the correct answer is D1. Pro15. These all are the next generation sequencing techniques. Solid, 454, ABI. Amino acids presence in the active site of enzyme is histidine. In anabolic pathways, enzymes are mostly inducible. DNA carries negative charge on it. Alpha helix ends with which amino acid? Lysine, arginine, glutamine and alanine. And the correct option is alanine. Protoplast can be isolated from young leaves by treating with cellulase and pectinase. Genetic informations can also be changed by the technique of RNA editing. Peroxisomes are involved in photorespiration. In plant cells, centrioles are not found. सेंट्रियल्स कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं? एनिमल सेल में. द मोस्ट एनर्जेटिक रिजर्व इन एनिमल्स इज फाउंड इन एडिपोज टिश्यू. पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकेन contains NAM, N-acetylmuramic acid and N-acetyl galactosamine. इसको हम शॉर्ट में नाम एंड नाग याद रखते हैं. RAPD primer is of 10 to 12 base pair per nucleotides in size and it is single stranded. Topoisomerase 2 is also known as DNA gyrase enzyme. The transcribed strand of DNA is antisense और coding strand कहते हैं. TN3 is not a basic transposon. Ascorbic acid or citric acid is used in plant tissue culture medium to inhibit or to adsorb phenolic exudates secreted by plant cell into the medium. For the preparation of cDNA library, we take RNA from all parts of the plant, which moves faster in gel electrophoresis. Your options are supercoiled DNA, open circular DNA, nicked DNA or linear. And the correct option is supercoiled DNA. Enzyme catalyzes the rate of reaction by lowering down the activation energy. DNA repair system, that is the photo reactivation system, is activated by thymidine dimers. So let's students, these all are the previous asked question paper which was asked in 2012. Let's move to I am preparing some more series on ARS NET for agriculture biotechnology students. So always like and subscribe my channel and be on my channel, tune to my channel.